In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printify Branding. By the end, you'll have a polished packaging insert ready to go out with your orders, helping you say thank you and reinforce your brand with every delivery. First, open your store settings. Log into your Printify account, and from the dashboard, click My Stores. If you manage more than one, choose the store you want to brand so you're editing the right place. Once you're in the correct store, click Store Settings. In the menu that appears, look for the Branding section. This is where Printify lets you manage the packaging insert that can accompany your orders. Click Branding, then choose Start Designing to open the Design tool. If you've created a design before, you'll see the option to edit the existing one instead. Now, create a packaging insert. Inside the design editor, add your logo to keep the look consistent with your storefront and products. Include a short message or a discount code to encourage repeat business. A simple line like, "Thank you for your order," goes a long way, so place it where it's easy to spot. Aim for clean, readable text and strong contrast so your message prints clearly. Keep your message concise. One friendly greeting, a brief note, and a single call to action work better than a crowded layout. If you're adding a discount, consider using a short, easy-to-type code and make sure the font size is large enough to read at a glance. Align elements neatly and leave a little white space so nothing feels cramped. When you're happy with the design, click Save to store your branding insert. Take a moment to double-check for typos and make sure your logo looks crisp. Saving locks in what will be sent to print. Next, enable packaging inserts for the store. In the branding area, turn on the option so your saved insert is actually applied to orders. This switch controls whether the insert is active or not, so it's an important final step. After activation, your insert will be automatically included in future orders that are supported by participating print providers. Keep in mind that this applies to new orders going forward and only where the provider offers packaging inserts. If an order isn't supported, it will simply ship without the insert. That's it. You've set up Printify Branding, created a thoughtful insert, saved it, and enabled it so your customers receive a professional, on-brand unboxing experience every time it's supported.